After dealing with persistent Kali Linux audio problems myself and spending countless hours testing solutions, I finally gathered multiple effective methods to solve these frustrating sound glitches, and I'm eager to share them with you right now. This video will help you fix Everest ES8336 audio sound not working error in Kali 2026. Our first method tackles the most common culprits: incorrect sound settings and muted outputs. Often, the issue isn't a deep technical problem, but a simple configuration oversight, like the wrong device selected or the volume turned all the way down. By systematically checking these basic settings, we ensure the sound system has a clear path to deliver audio. Next, we look at updating your system and audio drivers. Outdated software or missing packages can cause a communication breakdown between your Everest sound card and Kali Linux. Keeping everything current ensures compatibility and stability, allowing the system to correctly identify and use your audio hardware. Our third approach focuses on managing audio services. Linux uses services like PulseAudio to handle sound. Sometimes these services get stuck or crash, leading to no sound. Restarting them forces a fresh start, clearing any temporary issues that prevent audio from playing. Finally, we investigate hardware integrity and essential codecs. A loose cable or a missing audio codec can completely block sound. This method ensures your physical connections are solid and that your system has all the necessary software to decode and play various audio formats, making sure your Everest ES8336 can truly sing. These steps cover the main reasons for audio failures, guiding you to a working sound system.